This is a 10-month-old, a little baby boy who was abducted, kidnapped, more than 50 days ago. He was abducted by Hamas militants, and his family say they are no closer to knowing whether he is safe or even alive. I can't even wrap my head around it. Having had 3 children myself, I don't know how they live day to day. I mean, there's only so much you could cry and scream and freak out, and at some point you just collapse on a bed and you just want to never get up. It must be absolute torture for these parents to... So, let me ask you a very painful question. It might be painful, it might be difficult. Many of you will hate me for asking it, but here it is. These parents who are devastated right now at the kidnapping of their child, which is a horrible, horrible thing that they're going through. Do you think that they themselves have the kidnapped animal body parts of innocent victims inside of them right now? What do you think? Do you think that they ever even gave it a second thought? In the dairy industry, every time that we drink milk or eat yogurt or eat ice cream or eat cheese, we are paying somebody to kidnap a baby from his mother and kill him. Now imagine that happening year after year. How on earth can we call ourselves good people and say that we care about love and peace with corpses in our bellies?